Some days on the farm don't start the way you expect. Moose wasn't feeling like himself, quieter than usual. We figured it was time to have him looked at. With the weather turning warm, the snowmelt is moving fast now. Water running through every brook and low place across the hills. A quick visit to the vet, just to make sure everything was all right. On the way back, the roads are soft, the fields opening up, early spring settling in across the valley. We made a stop along the way at Harvey's Lake, a place with its own history, where Jacques Cousteau made his first dive as a young boy. Hard to imagine, standing here now. Not far from there, the community spring still runs as it always has. Fresh water flowing through a simple wooden trough, cold, clean, and steady. Still as good as ever. Back at the farm, there's always something waiting. A few things to sort out and keep moving forward. But then, all at once, the pond comes alive. Frogs covering the surface. Their calls filling the air. The farm starts to shift again.
What's going on, guys?
The animals feel it. The land is waking up
What's going on, guys?
in its own time.
Nah.
And just as quickly as they came, they're gone again. The pond falls quiet. With the weather turned, maple season comes to an end. Buckets down, equipment put away, another season finished. Back home, Moose is on the mend. A little rest and a bit of care, and he's starting to come around.